In primetime news this evening, another 14-year-old sexually assaulted and murdered. Policeman facing possible charges after allegedly scamming promoter. And later, pensioners assured monies will be paid.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. Well, tonight we're talking flights. Flights between Montego Bay and Kingston are set to return starting next Friday. I'll tell you which airline is offering the service, and it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices.
And I just heard Anthony planning his flights to Montego Bay based on how economical it is. Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Giovanni. Speaking of flights, well, on Thursday we head to Grenada, where the West Indies will take on Australia in the second test, hoping to level that series.
All right, so I'm going to play on the words. So let's fly back to Jamaica, where Romain is going to tell us what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Over the next few days, there are sunny conditions that are expected across most of coastal areas. We are also expecting the winds to be weakening across the general area, so there is a better chance of shower activity, especially this weekend.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, have you ever experienced any delays in receiving your pension payments?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.